I've been teaching 3D printing since 2013. I keep taking lots of questions, and here are a few filtered list of frequently asked questions along with a few should ask questions. Can a 3D printer print any material? Technically, if a material can be processed with an existing technology, then that material can be used for 3D printing. It's just that one machine can't do all. There are different processes for different materials. Example, you can't melt metals on a standard desktop 3D printer. For melting metals, we'll need an industrial setup that can reach super high temperatures. That said, tungsten, the world's strongest material, has been successfully used in 3D printing. I've personally worked on a project that 3D prints bioinks to create living tissues. So materials are not really a challenge. I'm not a techie. Can I operate a 3D printer? Oh yes, if you can handle a computer, you can handle a 3D printer. The youngest I've seen are primary school kids handling 3D printers. So this is definitely not rocket science. Can I 3D print an image? An image is 2D. If I have one photo of your face, there's no depth in it, meaning which the software will not know how projected your nose is or the contour of your eyes. If there are multiple photos from different angles, they can be used to generate a depth map and thus build a 3D geometry. That is called photogrammetry, and that's exactly how 3D scanning works. How much money can I make with 3D printing? Honestly, this depends on your ability to position and market your services. But in India, a professional 3D printer, if ran around the clock, can generate 2K per day with a margin above 50%. Now, scaling it up horizontally, which means deploying more 3D printers to make more money, is an excellent business model provided you can pull off the marketing. I don't know 3D design. Can I run a 3D printing business? Now, to process an existing design, you don't need CAD knowledge. A lot of customers give you a CAD design, a ready-made design, which you have to process it and give it back to them. But to scale up and offer more value to your clients, CAD skills definitely help. I didn't know CAD when I started up, but when the requirement came, I pulled it off by hiring someone for that job. So, not knowing CAD is not an entry barrier and should not stop you from exploring a business opportunity.